is Glennie and welcome to the Hartland Lifestyle Center. So if you haven't watched our video on how to make this immune boosting rocket fuel, just click the link below or click the link up here, anywhere. So there seems to be lots of information online on how you can do hydrotherapy and how you can do fomentations, but what is hydrotherapy? What is a fomentation? So don't worry, we have this information for you right here, and we're going to show you how you can do a fomentation just from the comfort of your own home. So let's begin. So what is hydrotherapy? Hydrotherapy is a therapeutic use of water in its different states. It can be in solid, liquid, or gas. And hydrotherapy is used to constrict or dilate your blood vessels, which will eventually promote healing. Hydrotherapy has been used to boost your immune system, to decongest your chest or any kind of headache you may be having, for wound healing, and for so much more. Hydrotherapy has its roots all through history. If you look at history, the Romans, the Chinese, the Indians, the Egyptians, all of them had used hydrotherapy as a form of treatment. Here's a fun fact. It was mandatory for the Spartans of Greece to use cold water while they were bathing. Well, now you know that cold water will definitely wake you up. Well, if you look at 1918, Dr. Baldwin had used hydrotherapy to help recover many people who are going through the Spanish flu. So you can see hydrotherapy is an amazing thing you can try, and it's so simple. So if you want more information on how you can use hydrotherapy to deal with different ailments, you can get this book called Simple Treatments for Common Ailments by Doctors Dail and Thomas. We'll put the link down below so you can check it out if you need more information. So, a fomentation is this local application of a moist form of heat to a certain part of the body. It has been used to relieve chest congestion, to relieve any muscle tension, muscle pain, and so much more. Usually, a fomentation is alternated with this thing called cold mitten friction, but I'll be explaining that to you in our next video. So today, I'll be showing you 3 methods on how you can make fomentations at home. One of the methods we have is the steaming method. Another method we'll be showing is the oven method, and finally the microwave method. So let's begin. So for making a fomentation, you will just need 3 simple items. You will need some towels, any size depending on how large you want your fomentation to be. You will need a tub of water to moisten your towels, and you will need some aluminum foil. So let's begin. To make your fomentation, you will need to take your towel, and then, like I said, you'll need a basin of water, and with this basin of water, you'll be trying to moisten up your towel, and then you can wring it all out. Okay. So once you're done with that, just like this, you can start rolling your towel or folding it up however you want it, but I'll be rolling it up for this. That's good. Once you rolled it up, you can use the aluminum foil to wrap up your towel. So we use the aluminum foil to retain the heat of the towel inside while we steam it or put it in the oven or whatever. Okay, that looks good. So once we're done with this, you can put it wherever you want to heat it up. One example we have here is our oven roaster. And as you can see, we put some water inside and turn the temperature up to 150. And once it starts heating up, you can place your towel on top and let it heat up, and then your fomentation is ready. So another method you can do is you could put your towels into an oven. You can see there's one there already. Well, you can put many more in here, because when we do this treatment, you will notice that the heat is lost really fast from the towel. So keeping extra in hand would become really handy. So once you've put everything in the oven, you can turn the temperature to about 250 degrees Fahrenheit and start the oven. So after 30 minutes, you could decrease the temperature to 170 degrees Fahrenheit so you can keep your towels warm and nice. So the last method we'll be showing you today is the microwave method. So would you want to put foil inside a microwave? No, that'll be a bad idea. So instead, you can take the foil off and put it in a plastic bag of any sort. So once you wrapped it up really well, and then you can put this in the microwave and then heat it up for about 2 minutes or so. So once this is done, you can take your towels out. So make sure you use either tongs or oven mittens so you don't burn yourself. Wasn't that super easy? So for our next video, we'll be showing you how you can use a fomentation on your chest to relieve any kind of chest congestion anyone might be having. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.